Hello everyone! Dahil trending ang mga na-o-offload sa immigration ng Pilipinas, I made sure that I will prepare well for our flight. For our Hong Kong trip, here are the list of documents that I prepared that you can also use as reference. Top in the list is our flight ticket from Cebu Pacific, our old and new passport, our e-travel QR code, which by the way, you can generate 72 hours before your scheduled flight. I also print a copy of our travel insurance na nabili ko from GCash, the hotel booking, and the detailed travel itinerary. At dahil hindi ko pa na-update ang passport ko to my married name, dala-dala ko na rin yung marriage certificate namin, and since Zion is a minor, I also bring all of our birth certificate. At kahit COVID is a thing of the past na, dinala ko na rin yung COVID vaccination card namin. I also bring Zion's baby book just in case hanapan siya ng mga vaccination records. May dala na rin akong photocopy of all our valid IDs. And to prove our financial capacity to travel, here are the things that I bring. Meron kaming dalang COE, payslips, leave form 2316 and 2307. Nagprint na rin ako ng copy ng aming bank statements. And just in case, hanapan ako ng proof of billing, nagdala na rin ako ng Meralco bill and even our water bill and all of our ATM cards. You can take a screenshot of this and use this as reference. Dagdagan nyo na lang as you see fit. But based on my research, here are the common documents na hinihingi ng immigration officer. Ang dami kong dala but based on our experience, flight details and passport lang ang kinuha. Then, tada! We passed the immigration just like that. Tama nga ang chismis. Sobrang bilis lang kapag family kayo. Additional tip, if madami ka din dadalhin just like us, wag mong ibibigay sa immigration officer lahat. Just wait for their instruction. Less chika, less mistake. Yun lang guys, preparation is the key para kahit ano ang itanong sa'yo, confident ka na sa mga isasagot mo. I hope this helps. Love, Team Santos. Watch out for our Hong Kong DIY trip Part 3.